Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Cherokee bonnet. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, typically found on the driver's side, near the door sill or dashboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the primary latch mechanism disengages. This initial step is crucial for accessing the engine bay safely and efficiently. Now, move to the front of your Jeep Cherokee and stand directly facing the grille. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the bonnet, right around the center. You'll need to feel for a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch, designed to prevent the bonnet from flying open unexpectedly while driving. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to manipulate it. Depending on your specific model, you might push this lever either up, down, or to the side. This action will fully release the bonnet from its secured position. You can then gently lift the bonnet upward by a few inches, preparing it for the next step. With the bonnet slightly open, locate the prop rod. It's typically clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself. Carefully unclip the prop rod and extend it. Insert the end of the rod into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. Always ensure the bonnet is securely supported by the prop rod before you begin any work, for your safety and convenience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.